welcome to our channel PVSK Education. Also subscribe PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Experiment, PVSK Cooking. Friends, today we are going to know about the management and organizational behavior terminology. So it is very easy and important for all students. So first word is management. What is the management? A management is the process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling the efforts of organizational members and using all other organizational resources to achieve the started organizational goals. The next one, objective. Objective, it is defined the end result or outcome of the process or activity within a specific framework of time and resources. Policies. Policies are the guidelines developed by an organization to govern its actions. They define the limits within which the decisions must be made. Next one, company. What is a company? Company is called a firm when it is a partnership of two or more persons. A company is any form of business, whether it is a small or large. Generally, the term company indicates a particular kind of business dealing in a specific product. Next one, organization. An organization is an organized group of people within a particular purpose, such as a business or government department. An organization is a large firm and generally comprises of a number of companies. Simply, a company is an organization, but an organization is not a company. Next one, the industry. What is an industry? Is the combination of companies in same line of business. Organizational goals. What is an organizational goal? The organizational goals are the strategic objectives that are a company management establishes to outline expected outcomes and guide the employees' efforts. External environment. Next one, what is an external environment or a foreign environment? That includes a combination of all factors coming from the outside of the organization that affect its performance. The company itself, however, does not affect on them. Strategy. Strategy, it is an action but that managers takes to attain one or more of the organization's goal. Strategy is a well-defined roadmap of an organization. The objective of strategy is to maximize the organizational strengths and minimize the strength of the competitors. Resources and capabilities. These resources and capabilities are the sources of competitive advantage and the primary source of profitability for any firm. The resources and capability empower a company to drive the business and face competition with their products and offering of the needs of customers. A manager. Who is a manager? A manager is a person responsible for supervising and motivating employees for directing the progress of an organization. Next one, decision making. Decision making is the process of identifying the possible alternatives and selecting course of action to solve the specific problem or achieve objectives. Top level management. The top level management are the responsible for taking major decisions for organization as a whole. Middle level management. The middle level management is the responsible for the performance of managers at lower levels. Next, the first level managers are the responsible for the performance of employees involved in the operation. They are usually called as supervisors. Business. What is a business? A business is a trade or is an occupation that the purchase and sale of goods or services to make a profit. So business means buying and selling of goods It's a trade. It's called a business. This business they will do for profits. Next one, leadership. What is a leadership? Leadership is an art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. Motivation. Motivation is derived from the word motive, which means needs, desires, wants, and drives within the individuals. Motivation is defined as stimulating, inspiring, and inducing the employees to perform their best capacity. The next one, interpersonal communication. This is a universal form of communication that takes place between two individuals. So negotiation involves a discussion between two or multiple parties with the aim of ending differences and reaching on understanding. Scientific management. The scientific management is a theory of management that analyzes and synchronizes workflows. Its main objective is improving economic efficiency, especially labor productivity. Vision. What is the vision? Vision determines the company's future and articulates the nature of business. Vision describes what a company desires to achieve in the long term, generally in a time frame of 5 to 10 years or sometimes even longer. Mission. Mission is the describing a company's function, markets and competitive advantages. Mission defines what an organization is, why it exists, its reason for being. Centralization. Centralization to the hierarchical level within the organization that has authority to make decisions. When decision making is kept at the top level, the organization is centralized. The next one, decentralization. A decentralized organization is one which most decisions are made by the middle level or lower level managers rather than being made centrally by the head of the company. Next one, scalar chain. It is the communication is a crucial aspect of any organization, and the principle of scalar chain revolves around the flow of communication from management to lowest rank in the company. Scalar chain is a chain of all supervisors from the top management to the person working in the lowest rank hierarchy. So it is the way to structure an organization using different levels of authority and a vertical link or chain of command between superior and subordinate levels of an organization. Higher levels control lower levels of the hierarchy. Behavior approach. It is the scientific study of observable behavioral responses and their environmental determinants. In other words, it's the study of the connection between our minds and behavior. Next one, job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is defined as the extent to which people like and dislike about their jobs. This definition suggests that job satisfaction is a general or global affective reaction that individuals hold about their job. Next one, group. Group is a collection of individuals who interact with each other such that one person's action have an impact on the others. A group can be defined as two or more interacting and interdependent individuals who come together to achieve particular objective. So, thank you for watching films. For more videos, please subscribe PVSK Education, PVSK Experiment, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Cooking. Thank you for watching, friends.